made for staircase connection or two-way connection. 2-pin socket, some extra wires, 2 switches with 3 terminal, screwdriver, lamp holder and lamp. So now let's do a connection of these 2 switches with 3 terminals. First I take one wire and attach to the first terminal. So now let's do a connection of third terminal. Our connections are done. These connections are also known as common connections. Now let us do the connection of a wire of lamp holder and 2-pin socket. Now first we have to merge the one wire of the lamp holder and one wire of the 2-pin socket. Now I am merging it. So now we have to connect it with this 2-pin socket. Now first we have to take a wire of 2-pin socket and then attach it into the one switch of the second terminal of first switch. Now we have to fix it. Now we have to take another wire of lamp holder and we have to attach it in the second terminal of second switch. First I have to lose the screw and then I will fix it. So this connection is done.
So now our connections are ready. We put on the modem and let's check how it works. Here are 2 switches to operate one lamp. We can see when we go upward range. When we go upward, we have on the switch lamp on. When we go down, switch off, lamp off. So now our connections are ready and we work properly. Thank you.
Wonderful friends, welcome to your Cbse school. We are from grade 6 Cbse. Our project name is staircase connection or two-way connection. My name is Harsh Patel and my team member name is Sharesha Dharmi, Shri Samriddhi, Shri Khaisha and Patida Vedi.
Do you know what components are required for two-way connection? Lamp holder, 2 switches with 3 terminals, screwdriver and some extra wire and 2-pin socket.
Now let's do the connection of 2 switches with 3 terminals. Take wire, put it inside. We have to do it this way also. And it's done. Do you know that this connection name is common connection. So after that first touch is a connection, we move to the third terminal connection. I will take one wire and attach, and first we lose the screw with the help of screwdriver. And then I will put the wire under the hole. You can see here I am putting it and tight it properly. So it is done, and then we have to do the same thing in the second switch also. So loose the wire, put the wire under the hole and tighten it properly. properly done.
Let's do a connection of a 2-pin socket and lamp holder. Take one wire, a lamp holder wire and 2-pin socket wire and merge it.
Now take the screwdriver and lose it. Take the screwdriver and lose it. Now lamp holder wire and put it inside and tight it. And it's done.
Socket wire and first push the screw and insert the wire in the terminal and fix it.
Now our connections are done and let's put this connection in our model. Now we have put our connection in the model. Let's see how it works. If we want to go upside, we will on the switch and the lamp is on. After we go upside, we will off the switch. See, like this. If we want to go down, we will on the switch, and if we have reached down, we can off the switch. Thank you.
Vande Mataram, we are studying Cbse. Our project is staircase connection, two-case connection. My name is Sean Diston. My group members are Jyotir Dasani, Arudam Sanya, Jayant Dasani, and Hiripare.
Let's know the components that we are used to make this project. Two switch with 3 transistors, lamp holder, some wire, screwdriver, and 2-pin socket.
Now let's start the connection of two methods. First, we have to get a wire, then we insert it inside the first terminal or first switch, and then now we do the same with the second switch first terminal. Then we close it. Now our first connection is done. This connection is also called common connection.
Let's do another wire connection. Next wire with another terminal of wire and switch. First we insert the wire, then lock it. Next wire with terminal of switch. So the wire connection is done. So now let's merge wire of lamp holder and 2-pin socket. This is done.
Now, first it's set terminal. Now, attach this to the terminal.
Now take the wire of 2-pin socket and put it in the second terminal of first switch and lock the screen. This is done.
Now our connections are done, and let's check is it working. We will put on our model and check it's working or not. Now when we go upstairs, on. And when we go downstairs, switch off. Now it's working. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. We have made of a staircase connection and two-way connection. So now let's introduce myself, Gaurav, and he is my friend Sri Jaladia, Pasaka Jala, Raviraj Tomar, and Urodas. So now let me tell you the components of the model that we will use to make this model. The components are RAM, screwdriver, and some extra wires. So now let us start our connection. So now first of all we have to take one switch and we have to connect and we have to do connection in it. So we will loosen up the screw. We will move the screw anti-clockwise so that it can loosen up. After loosening up the screw, we will insert. So as you can see, I have already done this. So now in it. So after inserting this, we have to tighten up the screw. Now we will do the same with the second switch. At first we have to loosen up the screw. So after loosening up, we will insert this wire in it. So now I have inserted this wire in it. So now I will tighten. So as you can see this connection, this is known as common wire connection.
So now we have to do the connection of the first switch third terminal. Take a screwdriver and take a wire. Put the wire under the switch third terminal. And now we have to fit the screw. This is done. We have to do same in the second switch. Now take a wire and screwdriver. Put this wire under the third terminal of second switch. Fit the screw. This is done. This connection is also known as common connection.
Now let us take a wire of a 2 plug pin and a wire of a lamp holder and we will merge it. So now we have to take a wire of lamp holder and we have to insert it in first switch second. So I have inserted this in the first terminal second switch. Now I will tighten up the screw. So now this is done. Let's see how it works. So we have put our connection in the model. So now let's see how it works. So if we want to go downwards, we have to on this lamp. We have gone downwards. Now if we want to come upstairs, so again if we want to off the light, so we will do this. So now if we want to come to the upwards, we will again off this lamp. So now these two switches are only connected with this lamp. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Verma and I am studying in 6 Cbse and my friends are Sunny Fefar, Sunny Makatla and Radha Padula.
Do you know component of status connection or two-way connection? One lamp holder, two switch with 3 terminals, some extra wires, screwdriver and 2 pin socket.
Now let's do the connection. So use the first switch first terminal screw and attach the wire and tight it. And tight the screw. And do same with second switch first terminal. Attach the wire and tight it. And take one another wire and attach it in first switch third terminal. And tight the screw. And do same with second switch third terminal. So our connection are done and these are called common connections.
So let's take one wire of lamp holder and one wire of 2-pin socket and module. And then take screwdriver and lose it. And then split. And then some lamp holder, take lamp holder wire and now these connections are done.
Now our connection are done. Let us check the motor. How it works. Now let us check the motor. When we go down, switch on. When we switch off. When we go up, switch on. Switch off. Thank you.